Canvas Global Navigation Menu Tutorial. When accessing your course, you will see the Canvas Global Navigation menu located to the left of your screen. This menu provides options to configure your account and access your other courses, calendar, or virtual library, among other options. In the Account section, you can see your notifications, modify your profile, or close the Canvas session. The Canvas catalog courses you are enrolled in will appear on your dashboard. In the Courses section, you can access the courses in which you are enrolled. In the Calendar section, you can see deadlines for assignments, forums, and exams, as well as dates for other events in the different courses you are enrolled in. The Inbox is a tool that allows you to exchange messages with your professor or classmates. The Recent History button shows the pages you have visited in Canvas for the last 3 weeks. Under Help and Services, you can find a series of links that can help you solve technical problems. You can also find access links to the virtual library, Office 365, and Canvas guides. In the Information section, you can access frequently answered questions about Canvas courses. Lastly, you can access the virtual library by clicking on the Library button. There you will find various digital resources that will help you with the online learning process. To close the Global Navigation menu, click on the X located on the upper right corner of the menu.